Hi, and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this is a take two of Garnet. Um, and honestly, this is more like a more okay. So, like with the amethyst, I kind of like redid everything. Same with my first look. This is more like recreating it with better products, updating it with what I would do now, including liner. Because before then, I didn't know how to do liner. But hey, I'm honest about it. And I feel like this is like a really good update for what I did in the past. And it's just like really nice and now reflects Garnet a little bit more while also paying homage to the older version of the look I did as well as the older version of Garnet that was available at the time. And I love how this look came out. And oh my gosh. One thing I had to say, I don't think you can really tell on camera. I even did the separate color eyeliners to represent Sapphire and Ruby. Woo! Just to kind of represent Garnet's newest form. So yeah. Aside from that, I'm going to stop blabbering so you can get into the video. So let's roll the intro. Okay, so let's get started. I already have my brows done, and I have primed and set my lids. And for eyebrows, I actually did use something new today. It's the new Wet n Wild eyebrow pomade. I used the shade Espresso. I thought I had originally grabbed dark brown. I didn't, so I have Espresso. The brush that's in here, I don't like it. It doesn't apply product well. But if I use like my regular brush and spoolie combo, it works really well and it does stay in place. So, testing it out. Yeah. And yeah, I primed and set my lid, and I accidentally used Brulee by Wet n Wild because this is my second take at doing this video today. First look, the way I was doing it, it did not look how I wanted it to. Hold on, let me back this up a little bit. Okay. First look did not look how I wanted it to, so now I'm like, oh, well, let's try this one. Let's see how this is gonna do. So, I forgot that the palette I'm gonna be using now actually has a base shade, so I'm just like, oh, great, okay, I didn't have to use Brulee. I could have just used Titan from the Alien palette, which I'm gonna be using the Alien palette. Which I know you're probably thinking, like, Alien? For Garnet, she doesn't have green. I'm like, hold on, let me do my magic, please. So, first thing I'm actually going to do is I'm going to dip into Gravity and use that as a transition shade. And the sad thing is about the other look that I was doing is that it was looking so good until I got to the lid, and then it was just like, nope, no, no, no. And Gravity is going to be going just above my lid, above my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take Phone Home and put that just below Gravity. Real quickly, I'm going to take my Sephora Collection number 10 brush and just blend. Okay, so now I'm going to take Area 51 and just place that right into the crease. So now I'm going to take my Sephora Collection number 10 brush again and just blend. I know you're probably looking at me like, what the hell are you doing? Trust me. I'm going to now take Ruby Rider, Space Cowboy, in honor of Ruby Rider. Honestly, as soon as I thought of Space Cowboy for Ruby Rider, I'm just like, this song, Ruby Rider, is Ruby riding alone. Anyway, I'm going to place that on the outer third. Real quickly going to blend that out. And the other reason I used Space Cowboy is because it pays homage to Garnet's first form that we see, or her first like generation whenever we see her within like the first season before she really displays that she's a fusion and that there's more than just one gem. So she's more brown, more muted. Okay, so now I'm going to kind of cut my crease slightly, and to do that, instead of using concealer, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadow in the shade Camelback. I'm going to place that just to help brighten that area up. And just for personal reasons, I don't go above my actual crease, just because I know that if I keep it like this, it looks better on my eye. Obviously, if you're going to do this, do what looks best on your eye. Now I'm going to take a bit of Pro, which is the shade right here. I'm going to apply that right on top of that liquid eyeshadow. Okay, so that went down very easily, and it's looking a little more green than I thought it was going to. But real quickly, I'm going to, there it is. I'll blend out the edges. And the reason I use Probe is because it's a duochrome, so you have a brown base that's going to reflect like, it's supposed to be like a really nice like bluish teal. Right now, on my eye, it's looking a little more green, but it still ties into Garnet because Garnet is sapphire and ruby, so you have that like slightly bluish tone to represent sapphire. I'm going to do this eye off the camera. I'm also going to do my liner, which I have two different liners. I'm going to be using a red and a blue, again to signify sapphire and ruby. I'm going to put it on the respective sides that their gems are on. So on this side I'm going to be putting red, on this side I'm going to be putting blue. And I'm going to put on my lashes, do my full face, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back, and I am trying... Lately I've been on the hunt for a new like setting powder that I like. Wet n Wild, of course. This is the Photo Focus Translucent. I can say it did not wash me out on camera. I still look good. I'm like, ooh! I like this a lot. So, yeah. Also, under my eyes is like very nice. No extra texture. I'm like, oh, yeah! So for highlighter, I did use Hyperthermia, and I think I'm actually going to pop that on top of the eyeshadow I have. I'm going to do that really carefully so I don't mess up the eyeliner. There we go. Now we have more of that blue and some of the pink. And now we're going to be going back to the eyes. By the way, for the eyeliners, I actually used two of the Midnight Chaos eyeliners from NYX. So for the lower lash, I'm going to basically take Area 51 and Phone Home and blend those two out. Yeah, just those two. Maybe a little bit of Black Hole right over here just to help line my eye. Yeah, I'm taking Black Hole first. Black Hole, Area 51, and Phone Home. Taking a little bit of Titan, I'm going to help brighten and blend out my under eye. Now I'm going to take that highlighter again, which was Hypothermia. I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner. And for the waterline, I'm going to add my Marc Jacobs highliner in Fine Wine. Okay, and now we're going to move on to the lips. And for lipstick today, I'll be using Phantom by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so these are messy. I'm gonna go take care of these off. I'm also going to spray my face using my collab setting mist, and I'll be right back. I'm also gonna lift up my hair. Okay, that was actually very easy to clean up. All I did was take concealer, clean up the bottom lip and the top lip. And there we go. So this is the finished look, and I actually really like it. Honestly, I think I should take in hypothermia instead of probe on the lid. That's why I put it on top. Again, it's not showing off that well, but you get the idea. Plus, this really is basically like a better version of what I did originally. Same type of lip color, same type of eyes that were more purple in it to reflect Garnet now. Plus, I just feel like I love that type of duochrome, so I just feel like it fit. Anyway, plus now we have a really nice blend and highlight. Anyway, ooh, this lipstick is making my teeth look so pretty and nice. Ooh. Sorry, okay, I'm getting distracted. Anyway, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what to say, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.